Hey, this is a special video being released both by MetSci and Gristle King, and this video is to help you migrate your devices over from the Helium console to the MetSci Chirpstack console. My name is Nick Hawks, and I would really appreciate if you would cruise on down and like and subscribe this video, whether you're on the GK site or over on MetSci. This really helps me continue to create these videos and help you out. So hit the like, subscribe. If you see something in here that is useful to you, please share it. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to migrate a device over from Helium console to the MetSci Chirpstack. We're going to start over on Helium console on the device that we want to use. In this case, this device is a weather station. It's a device that for me has used a bunch of packets over time. So I'm going to push it over to the MetSci console. My funny goal there is to see if I can be in the top 3 for all data credits used with MetSci, but pretty unlikely, but we're going to give it a good shot. So we're over here on Helium console. And I'm going to choose this device, and I've already done this part, but we're going to add a label. And this label is the label that you need to migrate over. So I call this MetSci-demo-migrate. So that's my label I'm going to use. You just got to remember it. You don't have to do anything else crazy with it. We're going to cruise back to our Chirpstack instance. So there's the MetSci Chirpstack one. And I'm going to go up to the very top right here and hit the little head button and then migrate from legacy. So it walks you through what to do here. You got your tabs up at the top, and we're just going to follow those tabs. And what we need to do first is generate a key. So we're going to generate an API key over at Helium console. So it tells you what to do. It doesn't tell you where to do it. We're going to go back to Helium console. We're going to go up to the top right to the My Account section here. And we are going to generate a key. We're going to call this key name. This will be MetSci Demo Console Migration. So name it what makes sense to you. The key role is going to be administrator, and we're going to generate that key. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste that key. Okay, so now you see it's created, but before this thing is activated, and you can see right here, it says that it is false. You have to go to your email, open up your email, and you will see and activate your API key. You're going to hit a little blue button that says activate your API key. I know you can't see any of this stuff. That's totally fine. And that will bring you back to console, and now your key is activated. So important step there, make sure that it says true right here. So once you have your key, you're going to cruise back to MetSci. We've got our API key. We're going to copy it in here. And I'm going to select the console. It's going to be the Helium console. I'm going to say connect. It will connect that up. So now I'm connected to Helium console. I'm going to select the correct tag. Remember, we set this tag up over in Helium console. Mine was MetSci-demo-migrate. So just make it super easy on yourself. And then it will say there's one device to be migrated. That's the weather station. The integration that we want to apply, we'll see if we can apply this MetSci Terabella. That's sending it out to app.MetSci, something else that we'll cover in another video. But for right now, we'll just see if we can get this thing to work auto magically. I'm going to go select that function. It says function is ready. Great. I'm clicking that. I come back. It says select tenant. I want it to import into the MetSci demo account. I am going to go ahead and use US 915 over the air. So I selected the correct one here. And I don't have an application. So we're going to add a new application, a weather station. I'll call it S2120. There we go. Cool. And we'll hit select. And then we'll finally go down to device migration. And what should happen is selecting it to select the device to be migrated. So it's an S2120. I'm going to select that one. It's just double checking we've got everything right, the 915, etc., etc. I'm going to say go ahead and fire those guns, and we get a green check mark. So that should be it. And we know that we may need to power cycle it, so I may need to head out and get that sucker running. But I will say that over on Helium console, and we go over here, and you'll see that it's not sending anything anymore, but it was sending something it's a 20 byte packet, and it was sending it, so 324, 22, 20, 18, every 2 minutes. We'll see if this thing pops up over on MetSci. So that's how you migrate a a device from Helium console over to the MetSci Chirpstack. Rock and roll.